The Needham Art Association has been bringing art to the community for 6 decades. The current members created an exhibit to commemorate its anniversary and want Needham residents to join in on the celebration. Here's Ashley Julier with more.
The Needham Art Association is a nonprofit organization of artists and art lovers that promotes the appreciation and practice of art among its members and the Needham community.
Like the foundation of many organizations, a group of people were discussing the need of art. They were Dr. and Mrs. Carlton Whitney and Beatrice Wood. They decided to form a group of artists. 15 of them met in 1949 and found a success in their mutual interest in the art, and were able then to have the first town hall exhibit in January of 1950. And from that time, the membership and the interest in the town has expanded.
The Needham Art Association is excited to celebrate its 60th anniversary with the residents of Needham. The current 64 members decided to hold an exhibit at the Needham Historical Society from September 1st through the 30th. The theme of the exhibit is locales in the Needham community. There will also be a reception on Sunday, September 13th from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. All are welcome to attend.
I think it's important that people realize what a core art is in their community. Some people are aware of it, but many others take it for granted. We'd like them to come and see what their community members can do in expressing themselves and also in exhibiting parts of their town, thus enriching them and their children as part of an educational process for both the schools and for the community at large.
I think it's a part of the Needham community history. It's our 60th anniversary, and this denotes or shows what the current Needham Art Association membership is doing, and I think it promotes a sense of appreciation of art in the community.
If you would like to see the exhibit, then you can drop by between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. except on Mondays. Or to make an appointment, call the Needham Historical Society at 781-455-8860. For the Needham Channel News, I'm Ashley Julier.